Welcome to Take 5 on Jodi, the company behind Crank, the Data Vault 2.0 generator. This is the first video of a series on the company Jodi and our products and services. Jodi was founded in 2020, it emerged from Unix servers which was founded in 2005. I am the CEO, Duke. I have been developing for about 20 years. And I am a developer by heart, founder by opportunity. We are based in the Netherlands and have a special interest in food 2.0 like Bertrand, health sciences and running. So here is a brief history of Crank, the Data Vault 2.0 generator. The foundation of Crank dates back to 2011 when I was working for Oracle Health Insurance. I created a tool that back then was called Data Warehouse Factory. It was a tool to automate the ETL process to create a traditional Kimball-Inman model. For those unfamiliar with data warehousing, ETL stands for extract, transform and load, and is a data integration process that combines data from multiple data sources into a single, consistent data store that is loaded into a data warehouse or other target system. I was the lead developer of the tool Data Warehouse Factory. It generates textual specifications that Oracle Data Integrator uses to create mappings, scenarios, packages and load plans. With these textual specifications, XML files to be specific, it is possible to do pattern-based ETL, patterns like slowly changing dimensions, or more advanced patterns like those found in Data Vault. I did several implementations for several global business units within Oracle, like financial services, health sciences, utilities, and Primavera. What are the benefits of the Data Warehouse Factory? Decreased development time by 1/3, 1 out of 3 layers of a Kimball-Inman model. Decreased number of errors by setting all physical properties consistently, and finally decreased time to fix a bug. The experience gained in developing and using Data Warehouse Factory within Oracle led us to create an even better product, Crank, the Data Vault 2.0 generator. With Crank you get all the benefits of Data Warehouse Factory and more. It generates a Data Vault 2.0 model. The Data Vault keeps a history for each table field, and an ingenious construction of hubs, links and satellites ensures enormous flexibility in storing data. The corporate data warehouse is loaded much faster since different aspects can be processed simultaneously, in parallel. What are the reasons to choose a Data Vault model, and thus Crank? Reason 1, supporting multiple source systems and frequently changing relationships. Data Vault 2.0 provides the most benefits when your data comes from many source systems or is constantly changing relationships. Data Vault 2.0 works well for multi-source systems or those that have constantly changing relationships. The reason why it works well for these systems is its ability to make adding attributes simple. If there is a change to one source system, that change does not need to show up within all source systems. Similarly, you can limit the number of places changes are made, as attributes are stored separately from structural data and satellites. Additionally, it is easier to account for new and changing relationships by closing off one link and creating another. You don't have to change the historical data to account for a new relationship or update an existing schema. You only need to account for the changes going forward. This brings enormous flexibility and scalability into your enterprise data warehouse. Reason 2, easily track and audit your data. In a modern data environment, the data runs through various different stops. To still provide continuous data quality, it must always be clear where data has come from. Given the need to be able to easily track and audit data, Data Vault has made it easier to do so. It does so by inherently enabling auditing, as load times and record sources are required for every row. It also tracks all historical changes as satellites, including the load time as part of the primary key. When an attribute is updated, a new record is created. All of this auditing enables you to easily provide auditability for both regulatory and data governance purposes. And because you store all of your history, you can access data from any point in time. Reason 3, load data from multiple source systems more quickly. Data Vault enables quicker data loading simply because a number of tables can be loaded at the same time in parallel. The model decreases dependencies between tables during the load process and simplifies the ingestion process by leveraging inserts only, which load quicker than upserts or merges. This also leads to less complexity. Conclusion, Data Vault 2.0 is designed to integrate data from several source systems and may overperform in some situations. A Data Vault model, however, takes time to build. The developers who build it may cost you over €100 an hour, and it may take you up to 2 years with 4 developers. Hence Crank, the Data Vault generator. With Crank, the Data Vault generator you get the benefits of a Data Vault model against reduced costs, less errors, more performance and reduced time to market. Not only provides Crank a Data Vault model, but it also supports data exploration by being able to regenerate the model, based on changed or changing requirements. It also provides timely delivery of the model, so it can be consumed by machine learning methods like SQL, Python, AutoML, or Oracle or Enterprise. On top of that, it supports a Business Vault model on top of the raw Data Vault model. Crank is modular. It can generate Oracle Data Integrator objects or PLSQL packages with Apache Airflow, and the best of it all, it listens to its customers. Do you have a specific problem that you'd like to solve? Would you like to use machine learning? Would you like to use PLSQL instead of Oracle Data Integrator? Would you like to use Oracle Data Integrator instead of PLSQL? Would you like to support multiple source systems and frequently changing relationships? Would you like to easily track and audit your data? Would you like to load data from multiple source systems more quickly? Well, Crank the Data Vault generator is never finished and looking for launching customers. Fill out the questionnaire on the next page and schedule a meeting with me in your calendar to walk you through what Crank can do for you.